A very berry day. Miss Strawberry is feeling a little bit glum today. She feels a bit small and, well, unimportant. So, Miss Strawberry's friends decide to take her for a walk into town to cheer her up.
All the other fruits are so popular,
she sighs. And then she sees something. A huge picture of a strawberry and a pretty cow.
Huh, will you look at that? They obviously like me,
Miss Strawberry says. She sees another poster with strawberries on it.
Wow, they sure like strawberries.
As they walk through the town, they see a poster of strawberry candies too.
Hey, I'm not just important, I'm famous. I'm a starberry.
Miss Strawberry hops all the way home, holding hands with her friends.
Are you feeling better now?
Mrs. Plum asks.
Yes, I'm a superstar and loved by everyone. Can this day get any better?
Mr. Banana goes ice skating. It's winter. The fruits have decided to go ice skating together. So out of the fruit bowl they jump one by one. Splat!
Oh, not again, Mr. Banana,
says Miss Apple, helping him to his feet. Mr. Banana is very clumsy. The fruit friends are ready to go through the cat flap.
I was a good ice skater back in the day,
says Mrs. Plum, putting on her skates. But I'm too clumsy. I'll just watch, says Mr. Banana, sadly. Nope, if I can do it, you can, says Mr. Orange, encouraging him. Wow! Mr. Banana turns out to be a natural. He twirls and spins around happily. This is great! Thanks, Mr. Orange! How does an apple grow? Today, Miss Apple is taking her friends to meet her aunt.
Sounds boring,
says Miss Strawberry rather rudely.
No, she's very interesting. She lives in a tree,
says Miss Apple. Miss Apple takes her friends to the orchard to meet Aunt Apple.
Hello, I grew up on this tree,
says Aunt Apple. But how? Asks Mr. Orange.
Well, we apples have seeds in our cores. When these seeds are dropped or planted in the ground, a tree grows. An apple tree.
Miss Strawberry can't quite believe what she's hearing.
That's amazing! Your seeds are on the outside. Look, and from those seeds, strawberry plants will grow.
Miss Strawberry looks down at her seeds.
Your aunt is amazing, Apple. In fact, we're all amazing,
says Miss Strawberry happily. Mr. Banana goes ice skating. It's winter. The fruits have decided to go ice skating together. So out of the fruit bowl they jump one by one. Splat!
Oh, not again, Mr. Banana,
says Miss Apple, helping him to his feet. Mr. Banana is very clumsy. The fruit friends are ready to go through the cat flap.
I was a good ice skater back in the day,
says Mrs. Plum, putting on her skates. But I'm too clumsy. I'll just watch, says Mr. Banana, sadly. Nope, if I can do it, you can, says Mr. Orange, encouraging him. Wow! Mr. Banana turns out to be a natural. He twirls and spins around happily. This is great! Thanks, Mr. Orange! Mr. Orange is lost. Today the fruits are just floating around in the washing up bowl, but Mr. Orange is nowhere to be seen.
Mr. Orange is so energetic and zesty. I bet he's gone for a hill roll,
says Miss Apple. They decide to go look for Mr. Orange. They get to the bottom of the hill, but Mr. Orange is not there. Puff, 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 puff. He's so full of vitamins, maybe he's jogging in the park, says Mr. Banana. Their fruit friends race to the park, but they don't find him.
Mr. Orange is so healthy, maybe he's swimming,
says Miss Strawberry. So the fruit friends walk to the beach and wade into the sea. But there's no sign of Mr. Orange.
Perhaps he's exercising at home,
Miss Apple suggests. So the fruits walk home tired. But Mr. Orange isn't exercising at home either. But then Miss Strawberry spots something. And there, lying down by the desk fan with a book, is Mr. Orange. Oh, you all look tired. Me? I've had a very relaxing day. He giggles. The fruit fight. It's a bright new morning. The fruit friends are set to begin another fruity day. Mr. Orange yawns and stretches. What a fine day to be the best fruit in the fruit bowl!
That is not true. I'm the best fruit.
Looks like Mr. Orange has put Miss Apple in a bad mood. I have far more vitamin C than any of you, says Mr. Orange.
Not true! I have more vitamin C for my size!
Miss Strawberry shouts angrily. Yeah, stop getting your peel in a twist. Mr. Banana laughs until he snorts.
Quiet! A variety of fruits make up a balanced diet. You're all equally important,
yells Mrs. Plum. Oh, well then, we fought for no reason at all, says Mr. Orange, as all of the fruits have a good laugh.